يوم تبيض وجوه وتسود وجوه فأما الذين اسودت وجوههم أكفرتم بعد إيمانكم فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
On the day when some faces will turn bright and other faces will turn dark, those whose faces have turned dark will be told, "Did you fall into unbelief after you had been blessed with belief? Taste then chastisement for your unbelief."
وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ ابْيَضَّتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ فَفِي رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ.
And those whose faces have turned bright, they will be in the mercy of Allah, and therein they shall abide.
تِلْكَ آيَاتُ اللَّهِ نَتْلُوهَا عَلَيْكَ بِالْحَقِّ وَمَا اللَّهُ يُرِيدُ ظُلْمًا لِلْعَالَمِينَ.
These are the messages of Allah, which we recite to you in all truth, and Allah desires no wrong to the people of the world.
وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ.
To Allah belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth, and to Allah are all matters referred for decision.
كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله ولو آمن أهل الكتاب لكان خيرا لهم منهم المؤمنون وأكثرهم الفاسقون.
You are now the best nation brought forth for mankind. You enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and believe in Allah. Had the people of the book believed, it were better for them. Some of them are believers, but most of them are transgressors.